The birth of the typewriter.
Typewriters revolutionized written communication in the late 19th century. Invented to speed up writing and improve legibility, the earliest machines changed how people created documents. As businesses and individuals quickly adopted typewriters, the demand for efficiency grew, setting the stage for later innovations that would further streamline repetitive tasks in writing.
Challenges with repetitive typing.
Typing the same phrases repeatedly was a common issue for early typewriter users. Secretaries and office workers often had to produce identical formal letters, signatures, or business templates, which was both time-consuming and prone to errors. The desire to simplify these repetitive tasks led inventors to think about ways to automate or shortcut parts of the writing process.
The first shortcuts and templates.
Ingenuity led to practical solutions for reusing common text. Early adopters of typewriters began using carbon copy sheets to duplicate text. Some developed templates or stencils for faster addressing and standard paragraphs. These methods, though manual, laid the groundwork for the concept of text macros, reusable snippets that could save time and effort.
The transition to word processors.
The arrival of computers and word processors marked a turning point. Digital systems could store and recall text instantly. Early word processors introduced features like boilerplate text and simple text replacement shortcuts. These digital innovations carried forward the idea that text creation could be made faster and more consistent through automation.
Modern text macros in everyday life.
Today, text macros are everywhere, from email signatures to smart replies. Modern software lets users save, reuse, and automate text in countless ways, directly inspired by the needs identified in the typewriter era. The journey from manual templates to digital macros shows how early innovations continue to shape how we write and communicate.